Good morning, my dear children and my dear Vladочka. I just came up to the high viewpoint above town of Petrovac, overlooking little beautiful town and Petrovac Bay. And I'm going to do for you a morning exercise, just to warm up and get ready for a big day ahead. So let's just start. We start from the head, tilted side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now turning head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we go a full twist with our head. Head is the most important part of our body because it leads to our brain where everything is happening. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we do 4 in other side, full turns. 2, 3, 4. Now we warm up our hands. Start from the wrist, turning it forward, transmitting into the elbow joint. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna finish with a small twist of the joints. Small. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go bigger, bigger, bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now transmitting. Opa, my phone is tilting against the wind. It's a little bit windy. Okay. Where will be? Elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now we're doing forward lunges and arm pump. One, we call it with our children blood pump, because we pump all our blood in all our systems at high intensity, making our heart work and all our muscles filling up with the lymph and blood. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to do squats with a step to the side. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we are going to do a ski man. Ski man, that's to pump up our lymph and really shaking up our body. So we just go to the top and drop ourselves like a ski man. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you should really feel impact on the heels. That means lymph is working. 11, 12. Next exercise we are doing is standing up Superman. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. And there was 11, 12 at the start. Okay? I'm bad at counting. So the next exercise we're gonna do is a James Bond. Very good for your abdominal muscles and your underarm muscles as well. Step to the side, gun, stretch. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Now we're gonna do a little bit of monkey ones banana. Just 5 or 6 jumps, see how we feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jumps. Don't forget I extended 475 stairs to get to this viewpoint. And now we're doing our thank you and hello steps. Okay? Hello my children. Hello my beautiful wife. Good morning Petrovac. Good morning our small apartment in Petrovac. Good morning sky. Good morning clouds. Good morning beautiful sea. Good morning our parents. Good morning our grandparents. Good morning our teachers. Good morning our friends. Good morning our rooms. Good morning our books. Good morning our computers. Good morning our phones. And good morning our dreams. Let's make them big and let's make them happen. Okay children, I'm wishing you a beautiful day. Love you so much and see you soon.